Okay, so a real quick look at part C of number 38 in 1.5. If you've gone through and solved for your y equation, there it is, right? So y tells you how much salt is in tank 2. And question C says, what will be the maximum amount of salt in tank 2? Well, that's a Calc 1 question. Whenever you want to find the maximum of an equation, you find the derivative of the equation. So I've gone through and differentiated this, and that's what you'll see here. Clean it up a little bit, and we get here. There's the derivative. There's y prime. And you set that derivative equal to 0 and solve it in order to find the critical points. Those will be the places where you have maximums. Now, to solve this one, the little trick is you have to factor out the smallest power of e. So e to the negative t/40ths gets factored out from both terms, and that leaves this right here. And when we want to solve that equal to 0, really all we need to know is when does this equal 0? Because this never equals 0. So we just set this equal to 0, right? Set your factors equal to 0 and solve. So this we're going to solve, and it's just a simple matter of solving for t, isolating t, taking a natural log, and you'll see that through here, right? 15/4 divided by both sides by 5 turns into 3/4 or 0.75. Take the natural log of both sides, get you to here. And so t is going to be 11.51. That's the time at which you have the maximum amount of salt. But the question is, what is the maximum amount of salt? So you want to plug 11.51 into the y equation that we started this with. So I've gone through, plugged 11.51 in for t, did all the math, and we get 56.25 pounds. So this is the maximum number of pounds. It happens at this many minutes, and that is how we get the answer to C.